Hello viewers, how are you? This is Prosperity and this is your boy John, and I welcome back to another new video. In today's video, we will just talk about a website. This name is Charles Schwab, a modern approach to investing. This is the investing website. I am telling to you the power of choice. Invest on your own, trade with like things or swim and get full service with management all in one place. You can find each and everything in just one website, in just one click away, right? So there are a lot of ways. You deserve more. We can help, like transparent pricing and low cost, how you work with us in your choices. Your satisfaction is guaranteed and your security is our priority. The website will give you when you be the partner of it. I hope you understand what I'm explaining to you. Right. So there are a lot of things like advertisers. We encourage your questions. Like there are a lot of questions what people asking to them. Like other sites for advisors, for client, for independent, for things what this website's providing. So how you can create account? Click on the open an account, and you will see this kind of interface. Like our most popular accounts. Like there are a lot of things like individual brokerage, joint brokerage, root IRA, traditional IRA, rollover IRA. Like the individual brokerage invest in stocks, ETFs, options, bonds, and more with the personal accounts. And the joint brokerage invest in stock, ETFs, option, bonds, and more with another individually. Like okay, so you can like here I see 5 accounts. They are most popular, and the root IRA plan for your future with a root IRA. Like if you choose this option, like this account, it will help in the future. Like that. Okay, so after clicking on it, you will see this kind of interface. Like let's open your account. Let's open your root IRA account. What can you do with a root? Okay, so make after tax contribution, pay no taxes on qualified withdrawals. Like you don't need to pay any taxes. Okay, buy and sell stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs and other investment. Okay, what are the costs of the opening a growth account? $0 monthly. Service has like charge to be. Like there's no fees. And what do you want to be like? What do you need to open like root account? Your social security or tax identification number, like the NIC you can say. Okay, and your employees name and meaning, like addresses if applicable, and that things. And after clicking on it, the get started your account will be on the journey to get started on the way to make account. So the traditional IRA plan for your future with the transactional rates, I thought. So these things are very like the traditional IRA. Let's open your traditional IRA. Traditional IRA just to help you to open traditional IRA and add money to. If zero, you can start investing. If you have zero, you can start investing. So what can you do with the traditional IRA? Make tax deductible contribution if you qualify. Defer paying taxes until you withdraw after age 59 and 12. Buy and sell stocks, mutual funds, like this kind of things. And what are the cost of opening a traditional IRA? Like there's zero cost. So after clicking on the get started, you will get started to this account. Okay, so there are a lot of things like the login, and if you have, you can log in your account. If you have already account, then you can log in directly. And if you don't, so you can click on the open account and you will be get started. And here the last one, I think the last, let's open your IRA. Okay, what can you do with your IRA? Keep the tax or defer the status of your 401k or other employer sponsored retirement plan. Buy and sell stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs and other like investments. And what are the cost of opening IRA? Zero monthly, like there's no fees. And like the tax identification number, social security, employers and name, and like meaning, address if applicable. Like same thing apply like all account like all over. Okay, automated and managed portfolios like Schwab intelligent portfolios and Schwab intelligent portfolios premier. Invest with automated advice, invest with automated and expert advice, banking, individual checking, like usually fund your investment and manage day-to-day cash with a personal account, right? And just checking. Okay, just checking is just like joint checking, you can say, just you can say. And personal trust services, a single trustee and co-trustee, preparing to manage and protect your asset with a single trustee and co-trustee to protect, premier, prepared to manage and protect your asset with more than one trustee. Yeah, and the thing is that Quattrable giving Quattrable gives back to the community with a tax efficient solution. More accounts, you can click on the view all accounts and then you will be able to like see all accounts what they are providing. So now types of accounts like brokerage and trading and retirement, education, okay, charitable, and like there are a lot of accounts. You can uh, come to the website. I will drop the link of the website. You can come. The website basically is about to the investment, and I'm at the end of the video. I'm just telling you one thing is important. I'm not telling you to invest because I'm asking you, the owner of prosperity, asking you, do your own research. Whenever you go, wherever you go, you have to do your own research because the own research are important, right? So the own research will makes you different from others. So I hope you understand my points. I hope you got my points. So today's video was very like helpful, that, and all the people are getting my points what I'm explaining you. This is your boy John, and I hopefully say we will meet in the next video regarding to another investment platform, regarding to another retirement platform, regarding to another insurance platform. And just keep it up, support with me, and subscribe to Prosperity if you are not subscribing yet. So we will meet in the next video. Take care yourself. Bye bye.